Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect our Bluetooth speaker to our technophone. Friends, you want to disconnect your speaker. So as you can disconnect, and guys now let's see how to disconnect speaker Bluetooth speaker in technophone friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect guys your Bluetooth speaker. So we will on guys our phone setting to disconnect it. Then guys you can see this type of setting in your technophone. So guys click on your mode connection setting friends, and guys you can see Bluetooth setting friends, tap here. So as you can see guys, we have connected guys the JBL Go speaker active, and guys, we want to disconnect. So guys right side this icon friends, tap here. As you can see disconnect option friends, tap here to disconnect. So speaker will disconnect guys, now you cannot use it. So we will off it. So like that guys, you can disconnect your speaker in your technophone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect a speaker in our technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video. Bye bye friends.